Okay, so you guys are watching this video because you're about to take your pre-unit assessment for our new plate motion book. Remember, a pre-assessment is just a measure of your knowledge before we've learned anything. So there's no pressure on this assessment. Your score doesn't go in the grade book. It's just for me to see what you already know, what background knowledge you're coming into the unit with, and then what we're going to need to focus on because we haven't learned it yet. So it is a 3-part assessment, so let's go over what the 3 parts are together and make sure you know what resources you have available. So first of all, you'll have an overview of what you're doing on this assessment. This looks different than your overview because this is the teacher page and yours will be the student page. Your overview will also include the key vocabulary terms as well as a couple other pieces of information. So feel free, this is the first page you should be taken to after you log in with Google. So you're welcome to explore the overview if you'd like, but where you really need to begin is here with the multiple choice questions. So when you click on the multiple choice questions, it's going to tell you right here that you'll complete 16 multiple choice questions to show your understanding before the unit begins. So you're going to need to do a lot of scrolling here because it doesn't all fit on one screen. So I scroll down, here's my image, here's my question, here are my possible answers. Now this is the feature I really want you to know that you have access to, and that's the audio. So if I hit this audio button, it reads the question aloud to me. It will also read me each of the answers. So if you're a person who's an audio, you prefer audio for learning, an auditory learner is the word I was looking for there. This will be really helpful for you. You're going to read the question, you're going to read your answers, you're going to give it your best guess. If you are not sure, just make your best guess and move on. And then down here on the bottom, these are the questions. So you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can hit 2 and go to the next question, or I can hit next and it'll take me to the next question. And it's going to go on like that for 16 questions. Once I've answered all 16 questions, it's going to give me the opportunity to hand in. Once you've finished all 16 questions, you're going to hit hand in. That's like the turn in button on Google Classroom, and it submits your multiple choice responses to me to be able to see them. Once you finish your multiple choice questions, you're going to want to move to part 2, which is a written response question. The written response question is here. You can also have it read to you, and then you type your response in this box. Again, pre-assessment, give it your best shot. There's no pressure or stress. You hit hand in when you're done. Then part 3 up at the top here is another written response question. You can listen to it again, write your response here, and hit hand in when you're done. When you've completed the multiple choice and both written response questions, then you go back to Google Classroom and you mark that assignment as done on Google Classroom.